Hello and welcome back to the garage. As you might have noticed, it hasn't been a Vespa PX in my garage for a while now. That's because last summer I decided to ride a 4-stroke. But now I got myself a px200 again, and I decided this will be the last PX I have. So my plan is to fix this into the bike that I want it to be, with the parts I want. So this will be a long project, at least 1 year. So I'll do some things now and then, fix it up and so on, a little bit at a time. So let's have a look at what I bought. This is a 1993 px200. The previous owner had this for 17 years. He hasn't been taking care of it that much. The previous owner thought this was in kind of good condition. The seat cover was worn, he's right about that. But let's see what he thinks is a good condition. Here you can see it's been resprayed for some reason. The front fender is dented, rusty and so on. The tires are worn and all dry. And underneath this we got some rust issues. That's a good reason why not to put a floorboard mat on your bike. I think the bike has been standing kind of in a not dry area, because first I figured I will just change the seat cover, but then I saw here it's full of mold and things, so I'll change the whole seat. Nice. This is all dried out. Do it like this. Shit. Oh yeah. Well, so that's his opinion of a bike in a good condition. I think it's more or less crap. But that's nice. I'm going to fix it up. As you can see here, we have quite a lot of miles on it. That means I'm going to split the engine, get new bearings and everything, cruise form and so on. There will be a new cylinder, maybe I will stroke it, new seat, new front fender, new wheels and whatever. I have a big package on the way. Since I need to fix the rust and so on during next winter, I will also take the time to repaint it, because I think this is the ugliest color you can have a Vespa in. I don't mind red, I mind this particular red. I don't like it. So help me, drop some comments and tell me what color do you think I should repaint it in. So I can get an idea. White, black, silver, green, I don't know. Another red. So join me on this long journey to make this a great bike again.